Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial today. Actually, I'm not doing it. I'm copying somebody. I'm copying Iluvsarahii. Her name is actually Karen. She is a very famous YouTuber that I absolutely love. Her and Tati are on the my top list of YouTubers that I love, and I thought I would recreate Sarah's look today. Just the eyeshadow tutorial that she did. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm doing step by step what she's telling me to do, throwing all my knowledge out the window, and I'm just going to recreate what she is telling me to do. Now, is it hard to is it hard to follow a famous YouTuber and create a beautiful look? I did tweak this up a little bit. That's why it looks a little bit more deep, but you're going to see what it looks like immediately after I finished doing my makeup. Following her steps. Her name is Karen. She is amazing. I love her. And so let's get to that tutorial. And before we get there, please hit that thumbs up button and the tiny little subscribe button and the little bell next to it. Let's get to that tutorial.
To my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I was so inspired when I got home to use this because there's just so many beautiful colors in here, and I've been seeing everyone's tutorials using it, and I had major FOMO watching everybody creating beautiful looks. So today I wanted to create something beautiful and different as well. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to achieve this look. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys not only the eye makeup look, but the whole face look and everything together. I'm going to go with the color Silk Cream and Creamsicle, and I'm going to use this as my transition. Gonna really carve it out, and then I'm just gonna go in that circular motion and really build it up. So I'm gonna go with the color Roxanne, and I'm gonna be going in with this small detailing brush, and I'm just going to go right in the crease and just kind of draw a line across. And then I'm going to take in the small blending brush and just going to blend everything together, going up higher towards the brow bone, just really blending it into that first transition shade that I already applied. And the more you blend, I think the better it looks, because you want to make sure that you really do the transition between all the shades. So now I'm going to grab my MAC Painterly Paint Pot and a flat defining brush, and I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm going to do this first because I'm going to be applying a pretty dramatic color onto the lid, and I really want it to stand out. Okay, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush actually for the harder to reach areas. You guys see how it's like carving it out? I'm gonna go in with this color. I think this is called Enchanted. No, Diva. This is Diva. It's like a beautiful, oh, it's so pretty. It's like a jade kind of emerald color. Oh, Mira, so pretty. I'm just gonna press this onto the lid and pack it on, kind of going into the crease. Not all the way, but just kind of halfway in there. And then from there, I'm going to grab the same brush, and I'm now going to grab the color Enchanted, which is this darker emerald color, which is a matte shade. And the same brush, I'm going to pat this on, and then kind of on top of the color. And then just keep on packing that shade on there, and then kind of over the metallic, so it gets like a nice gradual fade into the crease. And then from there, I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm just going to add it on the crease and just kind of blend everything together. These colors are super nice. They're very easy to blend out, which is really nice, because I feel like when you're mixing colors other than browns, it can be a little tricky trying to get the blend to work. But when you're mixing any kind of, you know, on the green blue side, it's a little more on the trickier side to get it all to work. But I'm loving the way the blend is working and the way the colors are looking together. And I'm gonna grab the color Beam and pick up a very small pencil brush. I'm gonna add this to the inner tear duct of my eye. I love adding color right here. It just really helps to open up the eye and brighten it up, especially if you're doing a smokier, heavier eye. You want to add that little bit of lightness right in there. So now for my eyes, I'm going to top them off with some liner, and I'm going to go in using the YSL Shocking Eyeliner. I got this when I was on my trip with them in Morocco and fell in love with this liner. It is so fierce and dark and easy to put on. I'm just going to start this right at the crease of the eye. And I love that it's not messy. Some liquid liners, especially the felt tip ones, get a little messy or they're too watery when they come out. This one just kind of goes on, stays put, and doesn't move around. So for my lashes, I'm going to be trying out these new Lily lashes in the shade Extra Mykonos. They are the larger version of the Mykonos lashes, guys. These just might kill it for me. These just might be the ones that are the Iluvsarahii lashes. I use Miami all the time, but I feel like these are speaking to me on another level. So I'm just gonna snip these on the side really quickly. I always take the sides off because there's always that extra bit of like the band that sticks out, and it'll randomly poke you in the middle of like an event and you'll be like, you know what I mean? Has that ever happened to you guys? Because it happens to me sometimes when I don't cut enough of it off. I'm just standing there and I'm like dying inside. Make sure to always cut that little piece off. So underneath, I'm gonna actually get the transition colors and make a sunset underneath my eyes, if that makes any sense. So going in with Silk Cream first, just gonna go ahead and add this right to the middle of the eye. I need to dust this off. I'm taking the color Creamsicle and just kind of dusting that with a fluffy brush on top of the first color I used. I'm gonna go right in the center of the eye. I like to always start right in the middle and then work my way to the front and then right above there. So we grab Creamsicle and then just kind of add a little more again. MAC Costa Riche eyeliner. Can we talk about how great?
Okay, guys, so that last color she put on was darker than all of them. I think she probably just forgot to say that she put on the darkest color of the eye, and I believe that color was called Roxanne. That's what I'm thinking, because if you look at the video, like she just said she grabbed the two lighter shades, the transition colors, but she didn't say, but her under eye is so much darker, and these are the two transition colors. So I'm thinking that she actually put Roxanne on as well under her eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do that to hopefully try to recreate what she's doing. And then I'm going to take that brown.
I used to use this
eyeliner
religiously when I worked at MAC and for years after, and I kind of stopped using it. I started using black again. This is like heaven for any eye color out there. Green, blue, brown. Brown eyes, it makes them look brown. Green eyes, more clear. Blue eyes, you know what I mean? It just does everything for the eyes. So I'm going to roll this right on my waterline. So with that being said, I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye.
So guys, what do you think? Do you think my eyeshadows look just like Karen's? I don't know. You guys go ahead and tell me. Check out these photos. Tell me what you think.
Alright guys, final look on this makeup. Do you guys love it? Because I'm loving it.
I think it turned out pretty good. There were some spots that she missed, like putting the mascara on, put it on the bottom, and the top lashes. I think she forgot about the Roxanne on the bottom. Now, I think I covered a lot of that Roxanne on top. Overall, it was a really good tutorial. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. Her and Tati are on like my top list. You guys tell me if you like these little trendy videos I'm doing. Everyone's like, I'm following so-and-so. So I thought I would pick one of my favorite YouTubers and follow her. I think she's amazing. I think the eyeshadow look looks great, but I'm just going to go ahead and deepen it up a little bit, change it up just a tad bit so it suits more my eye. Like I need a little bit more red to match the bottom Roxanne color. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you could, comment down below. Let me know if you like seeing videos like this. And if you do, I will make more videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Okay, guys, so I thought I would just turn on the camera and show you guys that I put a little bit more Roxanne in my crease. And you see how I gave the eye a little bit more depth? It's just beautiful. These colors are so festive, are so fun. This is like date night, and that is what I'm doing right now. Me and the hubby are going to go watch a movie. But I thought I would turn on the camera and show you. Doesn't it change the look so much? It really is. So like when you watch these eyeshadow tutorials, really just go off what you think looks best for the shape of your eye. Follow the directions and just enhance it or decrease it, whichever one works better for your eyes. But you see how I enhanced it more and how it just really gave me that pop that I needed. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.